Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using these services. When deciding between JPMorgan Chase and Citigroup, several key factors warrant careful consideration. These include global reach, available product offerings, technology platforms, customer service quality, and the specific financial needs of individuals and businesses. Both institutions are global banking giants, but they cater to their client bases with slightly different approaches. Ultimately, the best choice depends on what you prioritize in a financial institution. JPMorgan Chase stands out for its robust presence within the United States, offering a vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide. This extensive network makes Chase an excellent option for individuals and small businesses seeking convenient access to a comprehensive suite of financial products all under one roof. Chase is also highly regarded for its personal and business credit cards, which offer attractive rewards programs and travel benefits. For entrepreneurs and expanding businesses, Chase provides flexible business loan options, cash management services, and merchant solutions, positioning it as a strong choice for domestic clients needing dependable daily banking and lending support. Furthermore, Chase's online and mobile banking platforms are user-friendly and feature-rich, providing a seamless digital banking experience. Citigroup, conversely, boasts a substantial global presence, making it an ideal choice for customers requiring international banking services. With a presence in over 90 countries, Citigroup allows account holders to manage their finances across borders seamlessly, access foreign exchange services, and leverage global market insights. Citigroup is renowned for its premier credit cards, particularly those tailored for frequent travelers, and offers robust wealth management services through Citi Private Bank. While Citigroup's domestic branch network is not as extensive as Chase's, the bank is committed to delivering a strong mobile and online banking experience, and its digital tools are continuously improving. Regarding fees and rates, both banks offer ways to waive monthly charges, typically through maintaining minimum balances or meeting specific qualifying activities. Customer service experiences can vary, but both institutions provide multiple support channels, including phone, online chat, and dedicated relationship managers for high-value clients. If your priorities include a broad domestic branch network, accessible business banking services, and a comprehensive suite of retail and small business products, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better choice. However, if your needs encompass global account management, international transactions, or specialized wealth management solutions, Citigroup may be more suitable. In the end, carefully consider your unique financial goals and where you require the most support to make the best decision for your specific circumstances.